Welcome to the top best. The best recliner handle is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your favorite relaxation spot, and when it breaks, it can turn your comfortable haven into a source of frustration. Imagine sinking into your recliner, ready to unwind after a long day, only to find that the handle you rely on to recline is loose, broken, or completely missing. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a barrier to the very comfort your recliner is designed to provide, and finding the right replacement is crucial to restoring that effortless lounging experience. Number 5. TTMAGIC Metal Recliner Handle Replacement. Tired of a broken recliner handle? Our universal replacement is designed to fit most major brands, including Ashley and Lazy Boy. It's the perfect solution to get your favorite chair working again. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic. This handle is crafted from sturdy aluminum alloy, making it far more durable than the original. The heavy-duty cable is built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. You don't need to be a DIY expert to fix your recliner. With just a screwdriver and pliers, you can easily install this replacement handle in under 10 minutes. Get your comfort back quickly. Our improved design features a spring on the exposed cable. This ensures a quick and precise reset of the handle every time. Enjoy a fully functional and satisfying recliner experience once more. The exposed cable length is approximately 4.9 inches. Please measure carefully before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. The excess cable can be easily hidden inside your sofa. What we like. This metal recliner handle is built to last, offering a significant upgrade from flimsy plastic parts. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with major brands, and the improved spring mechanism provides a satisfyingly precise return. If you're looking for a robust and reliable replacement that feels better than the original, this is a great choice. What people say. The metal construction of the handle feels solid and high quality, far superior to the cheap plastic handles I had before. It has a comfortable grip, and it operates smoothly every time I pull it to recline or return the chair to the upright position. This replacement handle is designed to fit Ashley and most recliner sofa brands, and it worked flawlessly with my recliner. I was worried about compatibility with my older model, but it fit perfectly without any adjustments. The factory flipper handle was made of plastic, this one is made of metal. So much better quality. Number 4. Podoy Recliner Pull Handle Replacement. Before ordering, please measure your original handle and exposed cable length. This ensures a perfect fit for your furniture and helps avoid returns. This is a universal replacement handle designed for most sofas, couches, and recliner chairs. It's perfect for fixing broken or missing handles without replacing the whole mechanism. Crafted from durable, reinforced plastic, this handle is built for daily use. It's lightweight, sturdy, and corrosion-resistant, offering a smoother operation than older, brittle handles. No special tools or skills are needed. You can install this new handle in under 5 minutes with just a screwdriver. Restore your furniture's functionality quickly and easily. This versatile replacement part is ideal for recliner chairs, sofas, and love seats. It's the perfect solution to revive worn-out furniture and extend its lifespan. What we like. This option offers a durable yet lightweight plastic construction, designed for repeated use without cracking. It's incredibly easy to install, making it perfect for a quick fix. If you need a straightforward, budget-friendly replacement that restores functionality in minutes, this versatile solution is ideal. What people say. Lever action felt smoother and less resistance than original handle. No issues with fitment and looks good. Easy to install. No issues. Just what we needed to grow our aging Lazy Boy. Number 3. Universal All-Metal Recliner Release Handle. Is your recliner handle broken? This universal replacement is designed to fit most brands, including Ashley and Lazy Boy, featuring a car door flapper style. Crafted from heavy-duty zinc alloy, this handle is exceptionally sturdy and durable. Unlike plastic or aluminum alternatives, all its components are metal for a long-lasting solution. The handle measures 3 inches by 3.5 inches, with a connecting hole suitable for 6 mm and smaller cables. Please verify your original handle and cable end dimensions before purchase. Installation is a breeze with its 2 screw holes. You can easily attach it using just a screwdriver, getting your recliner back in working order in no time. This versatile replacement is compatible with a wide range of furniture brands and models. It's perfect for sofas, rockers, gliders, and recliners from manufacturers like Ashley and La-Z-Boy. What we like. Experience ultimate durability with this all-metal recliner handle, crafted from heavy-duty zinc alloy. Unlike plastic or even aluminum options, this offers superior strength and longevity. If you prioritize maximum sturdiness and a robust feel, and prefer a car door flapper style, this is the premium choice for your recliner. What people say. The part feels sturdy and well-made, and installation was quick and easy. It fits my recliner perfectly and works just as expected, smooth and reliable. Actually made of metal and seems of good quality and durable. It was easy to install and works like a charm. This being all metal will last me forever. Great fit, not problems, and quality for a good price is a winner all the way around. Number 2. TTMAGIC Recliner Release Pull Handle Replacement. This is a universal replacement part designed to fit most recliner brands. It's a perfect solution for your couch or sofa chair furniture. Ensure the exposed cable length is approximately 4.9 inches for a proper fit. This critical measurement guarantees it will work with your recliner. You can easily install this replacement handle and cable in under 10 minutes. All you need is a screwdriver and pliers. Crafted from high-quality materials, this part is built for durability and a long service life. Excess cable can be neatly tucked away. It's compatible with a wide range of popular brands like Ashley, La-Z-Boy, and many more. Get your recliner working like new again. What we like. This replacement handle is designed for broad compatibility across many recliner brands, ensuring a good fit. It's made from quality materials for a long service life. If your original cable was shorter or you prefer a bit more slack that can be easily hidden, this option provides that flexibility and durability. What people say. Seems strong and well made. The hook is metal, the lever plastic, but it does not feel like cheap plastic. I am expecting it to last for a while. It was the perfect fit in all aspects and dimensions. This brand is much higher quality and fits perfectly. Works like factory new, again. Number 1. Yoogu 10-inch recliner handle replacement lever. Is your favorite chair's reclining mechanism stuck? Don't let a faulty handle ruin your relaxation time. We have the perfect solution for you. This is the Yoogu 10-inch recliner handle replacement lever, designed to seamlessly fit most sofas and couches. It's the ideal part to get your furniture working like new again. Crafted from durable ABS material, this handle is built to last. Its 10-inch length provides a comfortable grip, and it comes in a stylish dark peach color to match your decor. Replacing your old, broken handle is simple. With its 5/8-inch square fitting, installation is quick and easy, requiring no special tools. Don't spend a fortune on new furniture. Restore the comfort and functionality of your recliner with this affordable and effective replacement part. Enjoy your downtime again. What we like. This option stands out with its extra-long 10-inch handle, offering a different aesthetic and potentially easier grip. The unique dark peach color adds a touch of personality to your furniture. If you're looking for a simple replacement lever with a distinct look and a longer reach, this could be the perfect fit for your needs. What people say. Easy to install and works great. This fit my recliner perfectly. It was an easy install. Fit perfectly on my recliner. Saved me from buying a new chair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.